Never interrupt your enemy when he is making a mistake. Courage isn't having the strength to go on. It is going on when you don't have strength. In politics, stupidity is not a handicap. Show me a family of readers, and I will show you the people who move the world. Religion is excellent stuff for keeping common people quiet. Religion is what keeps the poor from murdering the rich. History is a set of lies agreed upon. If you want a thing done well, do it yourself. Nothing is more difficult and therefore more precious than to be able to decide. Take time to deliberate, but when the time for action comes, stop thinking and go in. Impossible is a word to be found only in the dictionary of fools. If I had to choose a religion, the sun as the universal giver of life would be my God. The only victories which leave no regret are those which are gained over ignorance. The best way to keep one's word is not to give it. Men are moved by two levers only, fear and self-interest. There are but two powers in the world, the sword and the mind. In the long run, the sword is always beaten by the mind. The reason most people fail instead of succeed is they trade what they want most for what they want at the moment. Ten people who speak make more noise than 10,000 who are silent. Death is nothing, but to live defeated and inglorious is to die daily. Ability is of little account without opportunity. The hand that gives is among the hand that takes. Money has no fatherland. Financiers are without patriotism and without decency. Their sole objective is gain. Great men are meteors designed to burn, so that earth may be lighted. To understand the man, you have to know what was happening in the world when he was 20. Courage is like love. It must have hope for nourishment. The extent of your consciousness is limited only by your ability to love and to embrace with your love the space around you and all it contains. A throne is only a bench covered with velvet. It's the unconquerable soul of man, and not the nature of the weapon he uses, that ensures victory.